7.3, example 1, solving a system of non-linear equations representing a parabola and a line. All right, so here we have a line. Here we have a parabola. So there are a few options that could possibly happen. We have our parabola and our line intersects at just one point right here. That's situation number 1. Situation number 2 is we have a line that goes up through the parabola here. So we would have 2 solutions to the system of equations. Or the line bypasses the entire parabola. We have no solutions in that case. So let's see what situation we have. We could use any method. I kind of feel like we're set up perfectly for substitution because we have our y isolated. So let's try that. So equation 1, we have x minus y equals -1. And we're plugging in x squared plus 1 for y. So x minus y. Y in this case is our x squared plus 1. And that's equal to -1. Here we have a negative that we have to distribute to those two terms. X minus x squared minus 1 is equal to -1. Let's get everything to one side because what we have here is a quadratic, and it's easiest to work a quadratic or solve for a quadratic if we have it equal to 0. So let's do +1 here, +1 here, and let's put it in standard form. -x squared plus x is equal to here. These two are eliminated. So it's equal to 0. Let's multiply by -1 to get x squared minus x equals 0. And it looks like we're going to have 2 solutions. So let's factor out an x minus 1. And remember, we have a ton of different ways that we could solve for these. Here, it's easiest to just factor out that x. And here we have this left-hand side will equal 0 when x is equal to 0, and also when x minus 1 is equal to 0. So we're going to set each of those equal to 0. So automatically we have one solution there. And x equals 1, we have another solution here. So we have that second situation where we have a parabola and a line going through hitting 2 different points. So we're going to end up with 2 different solutions. We could see that here because we have 2 different x values. All right, let's plug it in for each of those. So first we're going to solve for x equaling 0. And we could plug it into either one of the equations. Let's do, honestly, I think we could plug it into the second equation. I think that's going to be the easiest, even though that's our quadratic. It looks like it'll be the easiest. Y is equal to x squared plus 1. Y is equal to x squared, or x is 0. 0 squared plus 1. We have y is equal to 1. So here we have when x is 0, y is 1. Perfect. And now let's solve for when x is equal to +1. So for x equal to +1. Again, we have y is equal to x squared plus 1. Y is equal to, in this case, x is 1. So we have 1 squared plus 1. So we have 1 plus 1, which is 2. So when x is 1, y is 2. There we go. That is, or those are the solutions to our system of equations. There we go. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Otherwise, bye.